Hey foodies! Today I'm showing you how to make super easy and super delicious chicken tacos using ready-made taco shells. Perfect for Taco Tuesday or a quick dinner, these tacos are crispy, juicy and packed with flavor, and you will have them ready in under 20 minutes. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick and tasty recipes. Let's get cooking. Let's start with the filling. Heat the pan and drizzle in a little oil. Now we are adding ground chicken. You can also add beef, lamb or any veggie substitute if you like. Now break it with a spoon and let it cook on a high flame until the water dries up. Once the water dries up, this is where the magic happens. Sprinkle in the taco seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, salt, and mixed herbs. Stir everything together so the chicken soaks up all those beautiful spices. Now mix it well and let it cook until the chicken is tender. When the chicken is cooked with a golden texture, we will add the mixed bell pepper. Then we will be adding spring onion, frozen corn. Now mix it well and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. To make quick salsa, we are adding 1 chopped tomatoes, half chopped onion, with a drizzle of vinegar, salt and black pepper. Mix it well and the quick salsa is ready. To make guacamole, we are adding avocado paste, lemon juice, salt and pepper. As I am making the quick tacos, so I took the ready-made taco shells. Let's arrange the taco shells in the taco serving tray. Now for the fun part, assembling our tacos. Layer it with shredded lettuce for freshness. Spoon in a generous filling of hot seasoned chicken filling. Make sure it reaches all the way to the bottom so every bite is packed with flavors. Now for some juiciness, add the guacamole. Now it's time to add our prepared salsa. As balance is a key, don't overstuff your tacos with the filling, otherwise the shell may crack. As I am making ready-to-eat quick tacos, I am not adding shredded cheese to avoid baking. Instead, I am adding cheddar cheese sauce for the final touch. And here the yummiest tacos at home in minutes. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling Stove. Until next time, happy meal and happy cooking. Bye bye.